Well, if you're like me and you're always trying to put your cardboard boxes this way so the people, the trash people can actually take it out with the minimum effort, this one right here, this tool over here is your salvation. It was mine for sure. So I want to show it to you right here in a close-up. It is super easy to use. It is rechargeable, so you actually rechargeable in a USB-C cable and you can take it with you on the go. So that's actually pretty good in case that you're going to work in some place, like for example, you're in a charity event or something like that, or just like a school or the office. You can actually take it with you on the go, USB-C cable rechargeable. It also comes with a lock. This right here is going to be a lock that you're going to actually have to touch and move in order to move this one and operate it. So that is really good for kids, for example. So that's another good thing, and a really good rubber grip over here. It is quite heavy, I have to say, just by the size, and I think that's actually a good thing. So once you're done, you just touch the lock over here, press. Nice and easy, super easy. Single, double. I'm kind of like doing a double one right now, so that's why it takes a little bit more time. Remember, move the lock, press. No issues at all. And now I'm gonna do a single one, even faster. No issues at all. We are done. This thing is just magic for the cardboard boxes. You can actually use this for leather as well. You can actually use it for kind of like thicker or not super thick cardboard boxes like this one, for example. Thicker, you can do it as well. It's gonna take it just a little bit more of effort in pushing this one, but that's basically it. Super easy to use, of course, with the lock, rechargeable with the USB-C, and of course, you're not gonna have any issues with this cardboard boxes anymore.